Build your business by making top-quality bales with round balers that are built for business. The Pro Bale Series. Hi, I'm Jordan Molesky, Product Marketing Manager for New Holland Conventional Hay Tools. Let's look at the simple yet effective bale chamber that's at the core of the Pro Belt's professional-grade performance. To match your operation, two 4-foot wide models are available. The Pro Belt 450, which provides a maximum 65-inch diameter bale, and the Pro Belt 460, which offers a 75-inch maximum diameter bale. Compared to the roll belt counterparts, these balers are 5 inches and 3 inches larger respectively. This increase in bale volume is perfect for high-yielding crops like straw, corn stalks, and big windrows of hay. For you, a slightly larger bale chamber means, at the season's end, fewer bales are wrapped, handled, and stored, which can translate to lower net wrap costs, more tons per truck hauled, and a lower bale count, which contributes to higher potential resale value. Let's look at the rough math for a Pro Belt 450 making a 65-inch diameter bale. Just 5 inches larger than a Roll Belt 450, it builds a 90 cubic foot bale, containing just over 14 additional cubic feet of hay. That means for approximately every 5 Pro Belt 450 bales made, you're saving nearly a whole Roll Belt 450 bale, and with 2.5 net wraps for every 10 bales finished, enough net for another full-size bale. That might not sound like much, but across a busy 300 bale day with a typical 4x5 baler means the Pro Belt can deliver big operational savings. The larger bale reduces the daily bale count by nearly 50 bales, reduces the time spent finishing bales by up to 15%, and lowers net wrap consumption by over 1,100 feet. This also means dramatically lower handling and transport costs, including labor, fuel, and time spent moving bales. Now, let's look inside the chamber. Pro Belts have a simple bale chamber design with fewer moving parts, which means maximum durability, less maintenance, and greater productivity. From the pickup tines, crop quickly moves underneath the rotor, where it is then power-fed into the chamber. The floor roll supports the growing bale, moving crop away from the rotor towards the perfectly angled belts that swiftly carry it upwards. To grip the crop for fast and easier core starts, the starter roll features welded segments, which also help prevent residue buildup. Once the core is formed, the fixed roll, which also has welded segments, constantly turns the bale. A rake is also incorporated with the fixed roll to eliminate sticky crop buildup. Powering the 4-wide premium endless belts are twin drive rolls and an aggressive back wrap roll that provides ample contact for positive driving force. As the bale grows, the take-up arm assembly applies pressure on the belts to make extremely dense bales. Dual density cylinders ensure an even load is applied. The result? Tight cores that are quickly and easily formed, which leads to dense bales time and again. For more information on our complete line of dairy and livestock equipment, visit us at newholland.com, check out our social media channels, or visit your local authorized New Holland dealer.